So it's 7 a.m. and we're about to go to the Airshow, and today's a special vlog because it's going to be an off-season vlog, but today's not going to be really much hockey related. We're just going to be filming like the Airshow and put that together as a daily vlog. So anyways, let's get going. He's coming to pick me up at 7:30, so I'll meet you guys up when that happens. And yeah, let's go. Wait, they are actually? Well, I saw a lot of cool planes. I hope you enjoyed. It's currently like 10:30 at night and I'm dead. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and I'll go through what I'm gonna do for the next day. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the Airshow. It's currently like 2 days after the Airshow, and I was very tired the last 2 days because I had to get up very early. And today we're just gonna be doing some hockey training. So I already went for a skate in the morning, a rollerblade. I did not get that on video, and I didn't get breakfast. Well, I had breakfast, but it was mostly trash. Today's my off day, so we're gonna be doing a bunch of things. Like, it's technically leg day, but I'm gonna give my legs a little bit of a rest because I have been putting a lot of stress on them skating lately, but you know, that's not gonna stop me from working out. So we're gonna just do some conditioning. This is the lunch today, and some soup. It's really good. He's also enjoying it too. It's currently the next day, and we're about to go to a beach, and school's starting soon, which means that vlogs are gonna be slowing down, sadly. But, you know, I'll try and keep up with them as much as I can. Just finished my workout, and yeah, I'm ready to get going for the day, and hopefully finish up editing the vlog today, and about to head out to the beach, and hopefully it's a good day. We got all the fishing gear loaded up right there, so hopefully we'll catch a lot of fish. It should be a good day for that, so can't wait to get out there, and yeah, let's get going. So we just got to the beach, and we're gonna go fishing. And we are fishing. Hopefully we catch something good. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna call it a day there. You know, thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. Hopefully you did enjoy, and new vlogs coming up every other day, and yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully hopefully enjoyed. Also, channel members, so if you want to become a member to support the channel, please do. It really helps me out. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.